Hey guys, so I know it's been a minute since I've made a video, but the thing that we'll be doing today is installing a little bit of sound deadening material, like this. So I'll link this below in the description, so if you want to grab some, and the tape that comes with it. As you may or may not know, I have a 99 Ford Mustang GT with stock headers, a catless X-pipe or mid-pipe, and the Borla Attack catback on the back of this GT. So it's very loud, and I do a lot of highway driving. And I know that this is not going to make the car much quieter, but it will help a little bit. When you drive, and I'll try to post some videos of it, in the back there's a lot of rattling coming from the rear end, which makes sense because a lot of just exhaust fumes are coming out of the back now due to removing all four cats from this car. So to start off today, I removed everything out of my trunk, and I'm going to be laying the material in the rear. So as of right now, I've removed everything from the bottom here. I'm gonna try to take some of this liner off, and then you can see I sprayed it. I'm gonna clean this, then put the material down. And then this black here is just regular spray paint. I don't have all of my trim removal tools due to me being at school, but these guys should be able to do the trick. And if anyone needs, I'll link these down in the description below. Just got it off Amazon. And now I'm just pulling off, there's 4 clips on this guy, so trying to gently remove the clips so I can put them back in. And there's 1 clip on this side, so there was 1 clip here, 1 clip on this side, and then 4 in the middle. There we go. And now I'm gonna put down the back seat so I can remove those 2 clips here, and then this whole side should pop off. Heyo, so I'm just trucking along here, and as you can see, I'm starting to lay some of it on the side of the trunk. Just 2 things. Remember, 1, this stuff is very, very sticky, so try to use cardboard or some sort of paper to cut it beforehand. And as well, on this car or other cars, remember that you should leave some of these screws exposed if you need. So like these 2 guys on the new edge are for the tail light, so if you ever need to get to the tail light, you should make sure that they're somewhat visible. Make sure to wipe the surface down first, because you can see that was how much dust I got off from right there, and I still need to wipe it down a little bit more. If anybody knows what this guy is, let me know. It's pretty interesting looking. So for as of right now, this is what we're looking like. Later on, I'm gonna respray this black and kind of probably do like a bed liner, because I heard that's good for this so it doesn't like chip off. So I'm gonna get a bed liner for this and just spray it over, kind of over this so it looks like a nice clean line. And then I'm gonna go over with the silver tape over the seams like I did underneath, but you can't see it because I put the sides back on. And then after that, that should be a wrap. So I'm now just putting the trunk back together. So as you saw from all of those clips, it was very easy to take apart the back of the trunk. Just little clips. Remember the 4 that are right under where the lock mechanism is, the ones on the side, those little clips back by the foldable seats. And I would say taking apart or disassembling the rear trunk area maybe took me 15 minutes at most. And I did end up putting all of the sound installation pieces all over the trunk. I sadly did not get to end up doing the little bed liner part down in the spare tire wheel well area, but we'll have to see what the new owner does with the car. As many of you know, I have sold the car, and as you can see from how this video started, these are some older clips that I had from when I was down in Fort Lauderdale. But overall, I really did like the product. Like I stated beforehand, everything is down in the description, and I would recommend doing this to parts of your car if you say it feels a little bit tinny. I know I watched a video on a guy who had a BMW Z4, and he did it with his door panels. So he pretty much just took apart his door panels and actually put this piece, or these pieces, right up against the metal, so when he closed the door, closed the trunk, it didn't sound as tinny, made the car feel or sound a little bit stronger than it was. But if you enjoyed this video, which I really hope you do, please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, as I'll be posting a bunch more videos automotive content wise, some things on the go-kart, some things on my golf cart, and I should be getting a new car soon. So I'll catch you guys in the next one, but have a great night. Bye. I'm gonna give it one more shot because I got soaked to close all the way. So maybe with being able to close it all the way, we'll be able to get it running a little bit more.